Hey guys, Jacob here with ZZ Power Sports. Got an awesome product here from S&B Filters. They're based out of California. They make an awesome product here called their Particle Separator system for the UTV guys. These are a great system because they're designed to let any dust and dirt and particles into your air intake, obviously, but also kick them back out at the same time. That way it doesn't get to your air filter on your side-by-side unit, keeping it as clean as possible. That way you don't have to worry about any dust, packing that thing full and not getting the proper air to the engine. So S&B's Particle Separator, this is the 2.0 version of their particle separator. There was originally a 1.0 version. It did not have variable speed technology, or whisper quiet as they call it, where as you increase throttle and RPMs, the 2.0 actually speeds up and slows down. That way you don't have to sit there and listen to the thing run the entire time. Our unit behind us has the 1.0 on it. As I turn the key on, it comes on. It's on the entire time. It does suck if you come to a stop. It doesn't slow down or be quiet, so it's hard to talk to somebody riding with you or listen to music. That's why the 2.0 came out with variable speed technology. So as you can see out here on the table, it comes with quite a bit of stuff. It's a plug-and-play harness with everything that you need. Your clamps, any adapters, the actual separator itself, which allows obviously your clean air and your dirty air to come in and force it out of the unit. A connecting hose that you will need to cut to length with the instructions that are provided. Your replacement side panel, where you take your factory one out that has a screen mesh here from the factory and get rid of that. It has a completely replacement. And all of the other necessary hardware to actually mount the unit itself. Don't forget that we always recommend pairing it with S&B's replacement filters themselves. The factory filter is a Donaldson filter. They don't flow as good. They're not nearly as filterable as the Donaldson filter, and we just recommend pairing this stuff together. I mean, it's tried, true, tested, and proven as one unit. So as you guys can see here, this is the S&B Particle Separator installed on your UTV or side-by-side. On ours here, it's a 2020 Polaris RZR Turbo, XP1000 Turbo. It's pretty simple installation on these things. Obviously, you got a couple brackets up here that you put on your bar. These can actually be mounted to a top bar, or you could create your own custom bar. It really just depends where you want to mount it, because you come with plenty of connecting hose here to do whatever you need to do. Your side plate here is actually completely changed out from the factory one that has breathers here, as you guys probably know. And then from there on down, everything is basically factory setup. You know, nothing really changes underneath here. So stays factory all the way into your air intake box. As you guys already know, your factory air box is located under this shield here and in behind right here. So you would unsnap your clips to your factory intake, and your factory air filter is in there. Now, paired with these particle separators, I do recommend the filter that I showed you a few minutes ago on our display table for this video. I recommend it because it is an S&B filter that flows between 6 to 10% better than a factory filter, and it's also cleanable. And the factory Donaldson filter just doesn't compete with the S&B in those cases, so we highly recommend that. The S&B 2.0 particle separators are available for your Polaris, Can-Am, Kawasaki, and Yamaha UTV. So check out S&B's full line of products. They also offer truck stuff on our website. Air intake kits, replacement fuel tanks that are larger than the factory size, fuel sending units, which is a new release for S&B in 2022. They also offer even mud flaps, intercooler pipes, and so much more. You guys just need to check out their line on our website, zzdiesel.com. Give us a call if there's something you're looking for and you can't find it. Just because it's not on our website doesn't mean we can't get it for you guys. So let us know. Our number is 800-749-0688.